welcome back to another photography video, and today I want to talk about my first time shooting on film. So back in December, I was gifted a Kodak Ultra F9 for my birthday, and on a snowy day in January, I decided to take it out for the first time. So the Kodak Ultra F9 is what we call a point and shoot camera, a camera with fixed settings, making it perfect for beginners in film photography. So the Kodak Ultra F9 has a fixed 31mm lens, is locked to an f-stop of 9, a shutter speed of 1/120th of a second, and can be used with 135mm film at ISO 200 or 400. More importantly though, the camera is very nice to look at, especially in the green and white variant which I have, although it is also available in a black and yellow. The camera does also have a built-in flash, which is powered by one AAA battery. My choice of film on this day was a roll of Kodak Color Plus at 200 ISO. Any higher ISO on this day, because it was very bright and sunny and we had the sun reflecting off the snow, would have ended up very overexposed, so I was pretty happy with the roll that I used. I am a bit of an idiot. I opened up the back of the camera at one point to check the film roll was in place properly, and because of this I ended up with some light leaks. I did actually get one shot that I think they added to the shot and it looks pretty cool. However, I did get some shots completely ruined because of it, so I guess that's a lesson learned. It was my first time shooting on film and I'll definitely remember to not do that next time. So I am really enjoying using the Kodak Ultra F9 so far, and I'd say it's definitely a good camera for beginners in film photography, as it gets you used to the process of just shooting and developing your film without having to worry too much about what settings you're using. One downside to the Kodak Ultra F9 is that it doesn't perform very well in low light settings. With an f-stop of 9 and the shutter speed of 120th of a second, I always knew this was going to be the case, but when I was in Berlin, I thought I'd give it a try anyway, and I ended up with 1 or 2 shots that look kind of cool. They are pretty washed out, but shots of like neon signs especially, they have kind of a nice look to them. This is a cool shot that I got while I was there. However, most of the shots I attempted in low light did turn out pretty terrible. So yeah, I really wouldn't recommend this camera for low light use. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like, please subscribe, go and check out some of my other work. Also go and give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter where I post the shots from these videos. I'm going to have more film photography stuff coming up in the future. I did shoot quite a bit in Berlin, so I'm going to have a video on that at some point. Really excited for that, and I'll see you next time.